In the previous video, I show you how to export data to Excel manually. But most of the time, our users want to automate it. In case of a very basic export, this can be usually achieved by using SQL to Excel action. Let me show how. Let's start from creating a new package. Call it export. Good. That's it. We just export it. And we have SQL to Excel action. So what we need to do here, we need to select connection. We need to select lookup for SQL script. We can also use embedded SQL. Just types say that we want to use embedded SQL, and we just type here select star from whatever table. And we need to set the target file, call it export. And now we can run it. Just press the magic green button, check the log. Okay, so select from movies. This file was created. Now, if we want to automate it, we can schedule it for execution. Let's say that we want to run it like every day, etc. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.